That's my whip. I was checking OJ out. And I was like, yo, this is my boy here. I was like, damn, when I saw you pull up, I said, that's...
Oh, there he is. Check me out.
I said, that's my boy, Jay.
My guy, man. I appreciate you for tapping into the channel, bro.
I was like, oh, he got the front. Oh, no, that's him.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, man, JamesAtkinsTV, and thanks in advance for tapping in with your boy in today's vlog. I am actually out here at a park right now. My neighbor is a member of Unique Corvettes of Atlanta, I believe. Shout out to Unique Corvettes of Atlanta, because I'm actually going to do another vlog coming up soon, and I think that they're a partner in that car meet that's coming up. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the cars that are out here right now. Not sure how much content I'll be able to film closer to the actual gazebo, because they're playing music down there. Don't want any copyright strikes, but there are a lot of Corvettes out here. C5, C6, C7, C8s. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what's out here right now. And then let's see what the rest of the day holds for today, all right? Got the C7 with the red interior. Got the red guts on there. This is nice right here. See through to the engine. Got some, look like you got some LED lights around that engine bay as well. Carbon fiber roof. Carbon fiber accents. It's a Z06 convertible. Nice, man.
What?
We've seen that one a few times on the channel. He's from Hellcat. I wonder if my guy Mike is out here. There's more Hellcat members out here. I think Mike should be out here. We've seen this one over at the TGI Fridays. Carbon fiber accent. If I'm not mistaken, he got the AWE track exhaust on his. It was either AWE or Paragon Performance. I'm not sure which one it is. Fab Speed, that's what it was. He got the Fab Speed exhaust on this one. This bad boy sound good. 3LT, by the way, fully loaded. Alcantara suede. Yep, this is my C8 right here. Lambo doors. Black and red accents.
The red and black?
I have red and black wheels. So if you see the only one where it's kind of sticking out with the pointy nose, right in front of that hole. Yeah, that's my red car down there. I got the red and black wheels.
My daddy got red and black too.
Nice. That's the best color, man. Red and black is the best color.
Those are the only colors.
This is nice. Is yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beast right there, man.
Oh, yeah.
I love that carbon fiber accent you got on the hood scoops.
Oh, yeah, I went all the way.
You say you went all the way on it?
All the way on.
Nah, I feel you. I feel you for sure.
Yeah, on the regular one, this not even, this is a whole carbon fiber hood.
Oh, yeah.
On the regular, they start right here.
Oh, so, okay, got
They
you.
paint it on the 006.
Yeah.
It's not carbon right here. They paint it.
Got you.
This is, they had them open it like that.
Sheesh.
Scratch proof.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this is a beastie, man. And you got the Corsa exhaust on there. Guys, I was just talking it up with one of the fellas out here about the engine cover I'm gonna show you guys his in a second once I get a chance to really go and find him again. But this engine cover change is coming, guys. The engine cover change is coming for sure. Alright guys, let me show you guys one of the more unique C8 engine covers that are out here, man. Check this out.
Had him do the kit, but I would have get myself. The kit was like 2,400. Charge 15.
Look at that, man. Say that one more time.
The kit was 2,400.
That's so clean.
15 put it on.
We also got the chrome strut covers for the rear.
If I want to do something with it,
These is nice, man. They came out really nice.
These are the.
And he ordered it. He said that he ordered it painted, and all he did was add on the little stencil on the flag, on the logo there.
All the way to stop. Okay.
There's some background music, so I don't know how much I'll be able to cut of this and keep continuously, but you guys will get the idea. That's so clean, man, for sure.
They'll fly up just like that.
Check out this C8 that just came out here, man.
Hey,
What's that?
here's what I want him to do for me. Let me show you what I want him to do for me.
What's that?
I want him to, the only thing, I got this one in the trunk, right?
Okay.
I just took it to him today. So, you see I got this one?
Yeah.
So what I want him to do is, that's why I was asking you, what I'm gonna let him do? We're gonna paint this cap here blue, the same blue as this.
The same blue as that?
Then I'm gonna put the blue here, then I'm gonna let him put a little blue dash right there.
Yeah, Premier take care of that for sure. I know for sure that Premier do a really good job on it, man. Alright guys, he was just telling me about what he's gonna do. He got carbon fiber wheels on the front and the back, man.
I like this wheel.
That's crazy. He gonna do like this accent of blue on the wheels that he got in the back, guys. Set it off. Look at this Rapid Blue C8. And he got the 4G autos on there. Yeah, man. He said he put 12 on this one. Put 12K on the wheels. This is hard, guys. And he got the blue inside dress on up that's coming through on camera. Black and blue seats. That's the owner right here. Yeah, sir. Random meet, guys. Mad love. I done ran into a subscriber right here to the channel. I'm looking forward to collaborating with you guys more. So if you haven't already, man, be sure to definitely send me a message, drop me a message on Instagram or either on YouTube. And I'm down to meet up and link with you guys, man. Random subscriber was actually just out here at the car meet, man. What's up? Alright, so look, check this out, guys. My subscriber, he's gonna subscribe to the channel. His name is Lamar.
What's up? What up?
Look, I was about to leave. He was like, look, man, I subscribe to your channel, dog. You got, look, so he got this beautiful C7, black and yellow accents on him with the chrome wheels. Check him out, guys. Check him out, guys.
I've never seen it.
Everywhere I take it, people say the same thing. I never seen that conversation.
Usually see like red.
He got it clean in here, y'all. He got it clean in here. He got the yellow accents all throughout, carbon fiber accents. Yeah, man.
I haven't checked him out on YouTube. But I was like, hey, what up?
Chrome wheels with the yellow brake calipers.
That's how you went down.
What's going on, boss?
What's happening with you?
Boss, man, how you feeling?
I'm alright.
That's what's up, man. Good, much blessings to you, all right?
Man, what you doing, man?
You know, just out here, just making a little content.
Yeah, where you
I seen my boy Mike over there. I was actually about to leave out.
Oh, okay, yeah. We down now.
Yeah, man.
You about to leave?
Yeah, I've been out here for a minute. I got my high school class reunion today.
Oh,
So.
I didn't know you was out here all day. I didn't know you was out here.
Yeah, man. I only been out for about maybe like an hour and a half.
Okay.
Just getting a little content. I like this right here, though. I like that, man.
Yeah.
You blacked out the headlights.
That's old black and yellow,
You
black
know
and
how,
bumblebee,
you know how we do it.
goddammit.
You know how
Old
we do it,
bumblebee.
baby. That's my whip right there, boy. That's my whip. I had to. I was checking OJ out. And I was like, yo, this is my boy here. I was like, damn. When I saw you pull up, I said, that's.
Oh, there he is. Check me out.
I said, that's my boy Jay.
My guy, man. I appreciate you for tapping into the
When I saw
channel,
whip, I
bro.
was like, oh, he got the bunch of. Oh no, that's him.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. All right, guys. So I must admit, I did it again. Got to talking, got to networking, getting to meet new people, talking about vehicles. and I actually didn't get a chance to really get that much more content. A lot of the cars have actually left out, so I want to get ready to head out here as well. As you can see, I am sweating. I got on a black shirt, got on some long pants and some Jordans, so I'm kind of overdressed right now. So I'm gonna get out of this heat, guys. Drop a comment down below on the vehicle that you like the most. Like, replay the video, okay? Tell me what car you think was the best car out here in your opinion, all right? Let's go ahead and get 30 likes on this video if you haven't already. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Find your way back to more James Atkins TV content. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, we out.